So I took the old ugly indicators off. They were just there for MOT purposes because my handlebar indicators didn't arrive on time. I've removed the grips and the indicator stock. There is a hole in the handlebar. There's a hole down here, so I plan to run the positive cable through there, find a route through here, and then hopefully it'll come out somewhere around here, and then I'll connect to the blue or the red depending on which side it is. I have an aftermarket headlight as well. The colors of the wires from the headlight don't match the ones on the motorbike. I think motorbike has what is that? It's orange and blue dependent on which indicator it is. So I'll try and connect those up and see if it works. I did do a bit of a test run to see if the handlebar is a good ground, and it's a good enough ground, so all I need to route is just the positive wire down here, and then the ground will just be on the handlebars.